Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this video I will show you how to add a recovery email address to your Gmail account. It's a quick and vital step to help you regain access if you ever get locked out or forget your password. Let's walk through it together. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Now look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. It's the small circle that usually shows your photo or the first letter of your email address. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your main Google account dashboard where all your account settings are located. Next, shift your focus to the left-hand side menu. Click on the label tab, Personal Info. Once inside this section, scroll until you see a category titled Contact Info. Under it, go ahead and click on the option labeled Email. This will show you your current Gmail address along with any recovery options already added. Now, under the recovery email sections, click the button that says Add Recovery Email. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to type in the email address you would like to use for the account recovery. Make sure it's an active email address that you check regularly. This is where Google will send recovery links if you ever lose your access. Once you've entered the email, click Verify. After clicking Verify, Google will send a confirmation message to the email address you provided. So now go to that inbox and open the email from Google. Inside, you'll find a verification link or code. Just follow the instructions in the message to finish verifying your recovery email. And that's it. You have successfully added a recovery email to your Gmail account, helping you stay secure and prepared for any unexpected access issues. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.